We wanted to bring people back into the kitchen and around the dinner table again. We all love going out to eat. We love frequenting our local restaurants, and we wanted to put that power back in your hands to show you that you can make restaurant quality food as well.
In Create, what we do is we interact with you guys and we show you all the skills that it's gonna take to make a perfect dish the easy way, the correct way.
We've definitely pivoted quite a bit. We're offering some wonderful batch cocktails. We've also started our virtual cooking classes.
Go to our website, createfoods.co, and go to our class schedule. There you'll see all our themed cooking classes, and all the ingredients are already laid out for you.
We made that available with some awesome kits of ingredients. Just order, you pick up your kit, you take it home, log into our link, and you'll cook along with the chef asking real-time questions.
We make it nice and simple for you guys to come out with an amazing dish that you can be proud of, then share with friends and family at home. Show off, with a great dish. That's what we do.
Now more than ever, we need to know how to feed ourselves, and we're here for you.